Hello guys, and I vlogs day. What's up guys? So magbasa day tag English. No. Earth
Abound.
abounds with green plants, trees and crops to give beauty and sustain life. It's land forest and bodies of water are home.
Oh, home. Natawa si home. Okay? Naana diri sa spelling na to. Okay?
Asa?
Na dito ko isuot. Home. Okay? Ako ra isulti diri. Home. Okay? Home. Sige, go. Padayon.
To all kinds of birds and animals
And animals.
at the center of all of this is man.
Man. Okay.
And this unit you will listen to and read informational text stories and books that will make you aware of the grave trees confronting the planet and the solutions to take
Check. Tech.
to
Prevent.
prevent
Then.
them. The varied activities provided in the lessons will help you develop the necessary language.
Language. Look at the language first. Tawa ha. Unsay spelling kay ana.
Ibutang.
Mana nagbutang. Ako na nagpili. Sige. Next. Look at language para review ka dito niya. Sige, dire.
Literacy.
Oops. Stop. Literacy. Look at the literacy yung sa spelling. Naana dito. Sige lang tawa sa diri. Ang tawa sa diri.
Najud ang language.
Kani, literacy po na.
Informational.
Si become
O
na.
gani kami ingon sa ako nga gani ang spelling
Kani na sa informational og si literacy si become
question.
si speakers og si reader. Mo siya spelling sa reader na
Waray
basa.
apil ang question.
Nara ko na tri ko nagkuha. Keep home sige. Continue ta. Continue.
Keep na
Mm.
Dili na
Okay.
how.
Sige, padayon ta.
Na.
10 ra na ko to.
And literacy skills to become better listeners, speakers,
Listeners, speakers, readers. Ana siya magbasa. Okay, go. Be.
listeners, speakers, readers,
Very good.
writes, and viewers.
Ana tumpak. Very good. Okay, next. Okay.
Big question.
Mura siya glikigan ng ihang quick. Kanyo, diba? Pero ilan siya dito na ay. Okay. Okay.
Listen to the cold earth makes much harm already been
already
already been done
done
to the environment. We must act now to save
save
it from
further
further destruction.
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 The extraction. Okay, go. Next.
And this lesson, you will learn about the different elements of a news report,
Heard.
and riddle it. You will respond to message of authentic
Authentic. Okay.
text and develop reading frequency
Fluency.
fluency
Oh. Ne. Fluency ra ha, dili fluency. 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 Fluency.
Fluency man daw.
Okay.
You will
Home.
your skill in constructing
Sentence.
sentence using the correct order of adjectives. You will also experience filling out application forms to be able to join a school club. Listening to radio news.
May balita ba?
Listen carefully
Oh, paminawa
to
daw.
a
Oh, ayaw carefully.
recorded news report
Title.
titled
Ang title kay iyahang mo na iyahang, for example, mo na iyahang title mo na Mother Earth makes a call. Oh, mo na iyang title. Sige. New
Ecology.
asa talbit? Ecology Club
A club
finds
finds gold. Finds gold daw. Basta
ngita og gold. Sige.
Gold in garbage.
Gusto yung garbage. Basura. Sige.
Take note of the important details of the news. Details answer the
Questions.